Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss 5, 6 and 7 problems in exercise 10.2 in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Right? This is the fifth question. See, a storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meters and its height be 8 meters, find the cost of painting it on the outside at rate of rupees 20 per meter square. ठीक है, a storage water tank is there. It is in the shape of cylinder. Next, on either ends there will be hemispherical stacks. Either ends there will be hemispherical stacks. Then what we have to find? Cost of painting to the whole storage tank at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. Right. First, what we have to find actually is total surface area of this storage tank we should find, right? So for finding total surface area, first we have to find the CSA of the cylinder. After that, 2 into CSA of the hemispheres we have to find, right? Yes. Given cylinders, cylindrical portions, yes, radius, actually diameter has given, diameter is equal to 1.4 meters, right? That implies radius is equal to, radius r is equal to 1.4 by 2, that is 0.7 meters, isn't it? Next, its height h is equal to 8 meters, right? Now CSA is equal to, yes, what is the formula? 2 pi r h, right? That is equal to 2 into pi means take 22 by 7 into radius is 0.7 into height is 8, right? Yeah, here 0.7 in 7 how many times can cancel? Yes, 10 times, no? 7 means get cancelled. Here 0.7 is there. So otherwise write this one as 7 by 10. 7 get cancelled. The remaining part is in denominator, 10 will be there. So like that 0.7 in 7 10 times get cancelled, right? 2 8 ja 16. 16 2s are 32, 3 16 2s are 32, 35 by 2. This is 35.2 centimeter square. What is this? Volume of the cylindrical portion, right? Next, spherical, not spherical here, hemispheres, no? Yes, hemispherical portions. Diameter is given how much? Yes, diameter d is equal to 1.4 meters. Next, radius is equal to, radius r is equal to 0.7 meters, right? Yes, find its CSA. Now CSA is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, 2 pi r square, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 0.7 into 0.7, right? Yeah, 0.7 in 7, 10 times get cancelled. See, 2 7s are 14. 14 2s are 28. 2, again 14 2s are 28. Plus 2 is 30. 30. Next here, 1 point is there. And in denominator, 10 is there. Right? So, where will you keep point? Yes, before 2 digits we have to keep point. So 3.08 centimeter square. Understood clearly? Yeah. Now total surface area of the storage tank is equal to CSA of cylindrical portion plus CSA of 2 into, yes, 2 into both two portions are there na, hemispherical portion, 2 into CSE of hemispherical portion. So that is equal to CSE of cylindrical portion is 35.2 centimeter square plus 2 into 3.08 centimeter square. So that is how much? Yes, 35.2 plus 2 3s are 6, 2 8 is 16, 6.16. So that is how much? 35.2, 41 point, yes, 36, right? 41.36 centimeter square. What is this? Total surface area of the storage tank. Next, cost of painting. How much? 1 meter square is 20 rupees, right? Now 41.36 meter square is equal to 41.36 into 20, right? Multiply with 2 first. 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 3 are 6 plus 1, 7 point, not, don't put point now. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Next 0 is there, no, 0 put. So here after the point there are 2 digits, no, so before 2 digits we have to keep the point. So 827 rupees 20 pies. The cost of painting of whole storage tank is equal to 827 rupees 20 pies. Understood clearly? Yes. Now sixth question. A hemisphere is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the length of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. See, a hemisphere is cut out from cubical wooden block. A hemisphere is cut out from cubical wooden block, right? So next, the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to length of the side of this cube. Then what we have to find? Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So surface area of the remaining solid, how can you find? Yes, first we have to find the total surface area of the cube. For total surface area of the cube, we have to add CSE of the hemisphere. Because hemisphere is cut out from cubical wooden block, no? So that's why that have to add. Next, after that, already we have measured this side also, no? Total surface area means, yes. That's why from that we have to subtract area of the circle. Understood clearly? So first we have to find total surface area of the cube. For that we have to add CSE of the hemisphere. From that we have to subtract area of the circle. Right? Let us find. Yeah. Okay. Let the length of the side of the cube be A units, right? Yes. Then it's a total surface area, TSA of the cube. TSA of the cube is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, 6A square. Okay. Next, hemispheres radius is equal to how much? Radius is equal to, yes, it is equal to, the diameter is equal to length of the side, right? The radius means half of this length, that is equal to A by 2. Radius is equal to A by 2. Why? Because this is side is A na? A, then radius is A by 2. So it's CSA of a hemisphere is equal to, what is the formula? Is 2 pi r square, that is 2 pi into r square means a by 2 whole square. Okay, that is equal to 2 pi into a square by 2. A square by 2 square means 4. Here 2 in 4 2 times get cancelled now, that is equal to pi a square by 2. Right? Next, area of the circle. Area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. Here radius is same, a by 2. So that is pi into a by 2 whole square, that is equal to pi a square by 4. So this is the area of the circle. Now what we have to do? Yes, the surface area of the remaining solid is equal to, yes, TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere, yes, minus area of the circle. Right? Yes. TSA of the cube, how much? Yes, 6a square plus CSA, not CAS, this is CSA of the hemisphere is, yes, pi a square by 2 minus area of the circle is pi a square by 4. See, this is 6a square plus, here what is the LCM for both? 4. 2 times now. 2 pi a square minus 1 time only get cancelled, pi a square. So that is equal to 6a square plus 2 pi a square minus pi a square. Yes, pi a square by 4. Right? Here in this both, what is the common? A square is the common one. So a square, if you do common here, remaining part is 6 plus this is pi by 4. So this is the surface area of the remaining solid. This is the surface area of the remaining solid is a square into 6 plus pi by 4. Have you understood clearly? Okay, next 7th question. This is the final question in this exercise. Let us see. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and its base radius is 3.5 centimeters, find the total surface area of the solid. Look here, this is the wooden article. It was made in the form of cylinder. Next, it was scooping out two hemispheres on both ends. Right? Yes, scooping, which means taken out. Right? Yeah. So height has given 10 centimeters and base radius is 3.5 centimeters. Then what we have to find? Find the total surface area of the solid. How can you find this total surface area? Yes. First we have to find the CSA of the hemisphere. Next, multiply with 2. Hemisphere and multiply with 2. For that we have to add CSA of the cylinder. Then we will get total surface area of the wooden article. Right? Let us do. Yeah. Given wooden articles, cylindrical portions, first cylindrical portions, radius is equal to, radius r is equal to how much? Yes, 3.5 centimeters. Next, its height is equal to, height h is equal to 10 centimeters. Right? Next, its CSA. CSA is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, 2 pi r h. Isn't it? 2 pi r h. That is equal to 2 into pi means 22 by 7 take. Radius is 3.5 into height is S10, right? Yeah, look here. 3.5 2 is 7, isn't it? 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 only na. So that's why 3.5 2 is 7. 2 get cancelled. Then 22 tens are 220 centimeter square. What is this? This is the cylindrical portions CSA. Cylindrical portions CSA. Right? Now hemispherical portions, radius is equal to how much? Yes, radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Next, its CSA is equal to, what is CSA of a hemisphere? Yeah, 2 pi r square. Isn't it? Yeah. So 2 into pi means 22 by 7 take, into r is 3.5 into 3.5. Why? Because r square na. So that's why 3.5 into 3.5. Look here. 3.5 2 is 7. 2 get cancelled. Multiply 35 with 22. 35 22 is 235 is 70. 770. So here one point is there na. After the point only one digit is there. So keep the point here. That is equal to 77 centimeter square. So this is the CSA of one hemispherical portion. Right. Now, so therefore, surface area of the solid, surface area of the solid is equal to CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere, right? Hemisphere, that is CSA of cylinder is 220 centimeter square plus this is 2 into 77. So 220 plus 277 are, yes, 154. So finally, how much did you get? 220 plus 154, 374 centimeter square. So a surface area of the wooden solid is equal to 374 centimeter square. Understood clearly? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.